Flip an old weathered playhouse into a charming and fun kids' cottage using Beyond Paint all-in-one. For this flip, no real prep work is needed, just a good cleaning with some simple green to remove any dirt, oil, or residue. We mask off the trim so that we can paint the inside and outside walls Beyond Paint's soft gray shade. While this entire project could be done using a roller, we decided to use a paint sprayer on the walls for fast results. While the gray is drying, we move along to the roof and trim, which we're painting navy using a smooth roller and brush. Beyond Paint is a bonder, primer, and finisher, so we're covering 3 steps with just 1 coat. Beyond Paint's exceptional coverage gives this weathered wood surface a bright, fresh look instantly. Since Beyond Paint has built-in UV protection, it resists fading, so the pops of color will stay looking bright and new for a long time to come. For some extra personality, we upgraded the playhouse with solar lanterns and a pull-down table to utilize both the interior and exterior space. A dingy, forgotten playhouse has been transformed into a cool new kids' hangout, thanks to some imagination and a little Beyond Paint. For paint for all your home projects, visit beyondpaint.com.